Click on the link below to get price. The 1000W folding electric bike is a remarkable fusion of power, convenience, and portability, making it an excellent choice for commuters and outdoor enthusiasts alike. With a robust 1000W motor, this bike effortlessly reaches speeds of 30+MPH, providing an exhilarating ride whether you're navigating city streets or tackling rugged terrain. One of the standout features of this electric bike is its 48V 20AH large removable battery. This powerful battery not only ensures a longer range, allowing users to travel considerable distances on a single charge, but also offers the convenience of being easily removable. This feature is particularly advantageous for urban riders who may want to charge their bike indoors or those who prefer not to lug the entire bike to a charging station. The folding design is another significant advantage. It allows for easy storage and transport, making it ideal for those with limited space or who want to take their bike on public transportation. When folded, it fits neatly in car trunks or under desks, making it a practical option for daily commutes. The bike's construction feels sturdy and well-built, instilling confidence as you ride. The adjustable seat height and handlebars cater to a variety of rider sizes, ensuring comfort during longer journeys. Additionally, the inclusion of front and rear disc brakes provides reliable stopping power, enhancing safety. The LCD display is intuitive, offering real-time data on speed, distance traveled, and battery life, which is particularly useful for keeping track of your ride. The bike also boasts bright LED lights for increased visibility at night. However, it's important to note that while the bike is lightweight for a folding e-bike, it still requires some muscle to maneuver when folded. Overall, the 1000W folding electric bike is a powerful, convenient, and stylish option, perfect for those looking to combine efficiency with fun in their daily travels. It is a solid investment for anyone serious about electric biking.